Da, 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 da. You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you.
I don't want to make rice and stew and chicken. What makes you say that? I'm busy, I'm working, look. Come now, come and talk to me. Come and face me with your full chest. Talk to me direct, don't go through the corners.
I didn't eat anything.
You didn't eat anything? Should I list everything you've been eating since you woke up from sleep this morning?
Yes.
I should list everything. In the morning you had cereal. Did you or did you not? You did. Then, a few hours after you had grapes, you had some fruits. You had grapes. Then you had your snacks. Ribena and what? Cookies. Right?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, you did. Come now. And I talk to you. Come first. So now you're accusing me that I don't want to make food to eat because I promised I was going to make you rice and stew for lunch. So now you're guilt tripping me that I don't want to make it for you. Is it good?
Yes.
It's good.
Yes.
So what do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice and stew.
Rice and stew.
Yeah.
And what again?
And chicken.
And chicken.
Yummy chicken.
Yummy chicken. See your mouth. Let me see the mouth that wants to eat chicken. What? Anyway, hi guys. Hope you guys are doing good. I just came down from my house. Obviously, this is the door that leads to my flat upstairs. But look at who just came back from summer school.
Today, guys. See, check it out.
So check it out. This girl Afone. We are learning work where Afone is. We are learning serious work. But I just finished filming a video for my YouTube. I have makeup on my face.
Mommy,
So you guys know where she got this. I have makeup on my face. I love you, girl. But she just got back from summer school not too long ago. I'm sad that summer school ends tomorrow, Mama. Summer school is ending tomorrow. After tomorrow, no more summer school though, until until 2 weeks plus. After now, when you resume school, a whole 2 weeks. Why go?
I'm going to go to Blessing class tomorrow.
You go to where?
Blessing class.
Miss Blessing's class
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, but after tomorrow, no school again until September 12th. I'll be September 12th or so. I'll be 13th. But I'm hungry and I really don't feel like eating
I'm hungry.
swallow today. So
I'm hungry.
you're hungry. Yeah, we're going to Chicken Republic to go get something to eat.
Yay!
Chicken Republic. So what do you want me to buy for you? What do you want me to buy for you?
Fried rice.
Fried rice?
Chicken.
Fried rice and chicken. Ooh, that's what you want. Okay. No wahala, because mommy is not in the cooking mood today. Please, I have soup at home. I made soup yesterday, but I had that soup so much yesterday that I don't feel like eating it today. So anyway, we're heading out now. Are you ready? Yeah. I love you.
Love too.
Okay, let's go. Yes, this way. Only two people can enter there. Yeah, I don't like you staying in the front, darling. Kids don't stay in the front. Even though when we're small, we used to struggle to stay in the front. Go in, let me strap you before you be asking me why.
You keep your key on your phone on your floor.
You talk too much.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh baby, please.
What?
Mommy, I'm my tap. I'm my tap.
Much later.
We are back. Which one is my own?
Is this one now?
Yeah. Is this one now? Yeah, I was Sprite, that's for sure. But Mama, you know you cannot finish that whole bottle of Coke, Sha. You know that, right? Yeah, you can't finish all of it, baby girl. Ooh. Let you take which two of them?
I two of them.
You can't take three of them. Look at this child.
Mommy, I want that Coke. I still want that. Mommy.
Yes. Oh, you like sharing?
Yeah.
You're not play with me, Mommy.
Because Mommy, let's cheers together. I got to cheers.
You want to cheers?
Yeah.
Let's cheers together.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have mine?
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers, baby. I'll remove my wig. Good morning. How are you?
Bye.
You're looking cute in Ankara this morning.
Yeah.
Are you going to summer school today?
I'm going to summer school.
Almost last day of summer school. It took. But yeah, I just remembered this Ankara top. Here has a couple of Ankara pieces I made for her some time ago, and I always forget about them. But she's wearing one today. Daddy's giving you food. What are you having for breakfast? What are you? Cocoa Pops. If I get you a headband, maybe I should wear you a headband. That's better. I like this. The green matches your blouse, and you look so pretty. Daddy said, "Come on." You okay? Cocoa Pops is so yummy. Cocoa Pops is so yummy. Daddy and daughter moments. Daddy, your baby is shaking her face, please. Please, sir. You smell so good, girlfriend. What did you spray?
Mixtures
Of my perfume. Wow. See me even asking. You smell so good. You know your father finished spraying all my perfume for you.
I sprayed the one I thought, you know. She's still the other one. That's how we ended up
With mixtures of mommy's perfume.
Yes.
And you are saying yes.
High five. Oh, I'm happy with you.
Oh. You're ready for summer school? I'm going to miss you. Be good. Who's taking you to school?
Daddy.
Daddy's taking you. Good. I love you, girlfriend. Bye. Oh, thank you, my darling child. I'm gonna see you later. Bye. I love you. Oh, look, he wants to come. Oh, my baby. Oh, I love you, baby. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm just heading out. I finished what I needed to do this morning. I want to quickly rush to the salon and wash my hair. I took out my braids, so I want to wash my hair and cornrow it all back because I'm going to be wearing wigs for a while, and then maybe grocery shop 1 or 2 things, and I'll be back home before Mia gets back from summer school. See here, I low-key want to recut my hair because I'm not about this life. I beg. The hair has grown so much now, and I'm just like, I want to go back to my pixie cuts, please. But I can't do that just yet because I still have a couple of brands that I'm working with, hair extension brands and all of that. And when I cut my hair becomes too short to, like, you know, braid if I need to braid. So yeah, I cannot recut my hair back to a pixie cut just yet. Okay, just yet. But see, at this point I'm feeling like I just wish I could, because I don't tire. I want to put my hair back in a pixie. I'm too classy for this world. Forever am that girl. Feed you diamonds and pearls. Ooh baby. I love that song, by the way. Anyway, talking too much. Let's go.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it.
I love you, mommy.
I love you too, girlfriend. I love you too, girlfriend. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is Friday and I have makeup on, even though like my makeup is like very I love this child with all my heart. Like, you have absolutely no idea, young lady. Oh, but anyway guys, I'm all dressed up. I have makeup on, but not like heavy makeup, like really light makeup. Brows, skin, piece of eyeshadow, just a bit, and then blush, highlighter, lip. I'm not wearing lashes, I'm not wearing eyeliner at the top of my eyelids because I'm just not feeling up to it. It's a very cold, rainy day in Abuja and I can't be bothered. Okay, I feel like I look okay like this. What you guys think? But I'm going to wear a wig. You guys saw me getting my hair done yesterday. I really like it. It's really cute to be wearing under wigs. She took her time and really made this hair. But I'm thinking of what wig to wear out today. I'm not sure. Let me figure it out quickly. So I think I'm going to wear my blonde wig today. I feel like it's today. Why am I dressed like a princess? Because I am a princess.
Just like me.
Just like you, girlfriend.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Actually liking this look. I look like a doll, literally. With the wig and the makeup and the outfits, I legit look like a Barbie doll at this point. There's no light. I would have straightened the hair a bit, but I think it's straight enough. In all of this, I'm sure you guys are even like, where is she going to? So I'm meeting up with the girls today. Meeting up with Tengu and Nena. We are going to check out a fish spot. Also, it's called Ibro Fish. I've not been there before, but I think Nena has been there before. I haven't been there. Tengu hasn't been there. But yeah, just know that it's chopping. See, when I meet up with these girls, it's Chop Life Gang. You understand me? Chop Life Gang, Soft Life Crew. That's what it's all about. So I just spoke to Tengu and she says it's not raining in town. I hope it stays that way. Even here, it's just like showering. It's not like raining. Oh my god, cats and dogs. It's just showering basically. So anyway, yeah, I think I like this look today, guys. I'm going to just wear a simple pair of earrings. Today is not the day to overdress, even though I really feel like I'm overdressed. This is my outfit. If you're an OG on my channel, you know this outfit. I think I even used to rock this when I was pregnant back in 2018, 2019. So yeah, but it's from Makamba. It's just a nice tunic top with adire detailing, and I just forgot it in my wardrobe all this while. And when I was looking for something free but nice to wear today, I saw it and was like, yes, this. So I have a pair of leggings under, and the colors are like right up my alley. You guys know that already.
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always about you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you go.
guys, we are done from Ibro Fish and we came to a place called Today's Buka to have Arabian tea. Let me show you guys. I hear that their tea is the best in Abuja, according to Waka Waka. Somebody was asking me in my last vlog, why do you call her Waka Waka? I almost said, I think it's her Instagram page. She's the name Waka. No, that's even her Instagram name, Waka Waka Nena. That's her name, so it's not me that gave her the name. So this is our tea. I hear it's the best in town, so let's have it. Hey, so full, Jesus.
I
collect that one. So let me know.
I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Baby, it's time that I let you. Keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms.
God, look at me looking like somebody's everything. Look at it. Oh, look at it. I literally just finished filming a video on this hair from Arabella Hair. I'm super obsessed. Like, guys, it's how lightweight the hair is for me, dude. Like, it's how lightweight it is. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with the coils. I just love how it looks on me. I love how it looks on my face, and I just love it, guys. Like I said before in the video, I feel like this hair is the kind of hair that I want to wear when I'm on a proper island holiday, okay? Seychelles, Maldives, Mauritius, that kind of holiday. I feel like this hair would go really well with it. It's so nice. I love it. It's a closure wig, so I'm just like, wow, that's even much better because I don't like frontals. Like, it's too much work to lay frontals on your own, okay? If I must do a frontal, it has to be in the salon professionally. But the fact that I just had to put some glue, and even this doesn't even need glue if you don't want to use glue, I just used my got to be spray to just lay it flat a bit in the front, and that's it. Like, I love it. Spray some water, add some leave-in conditioner, and you're good to go. I'm absolutely obsessed with this hair from Arabella Hair. Okay, so if you want all the information, go to the video that I did about it, and you see all the info in the description box in case you are interested. I just can't stop touching the hair. It's giving me a different vibe that I like. But yeah, anyway, I'm hoping that I can film another video today. The weather has just been higgy haga in Abuja. Like, we've been having rain non-stop here, and sometimes because I use natural light to film, the light goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So I'm not sure if I can film a second video, but I really want to film a second video today so that I know that I have 2 YouTube videos ready to go. So yeah, anyway, just have to come and show you guys my hair here. That's all. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.